Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone is signed into iCloud and Find My is active. Open Find My, select the watch, and check its last known location. This gives a starting point for recovery. Once done, play a sound to locate it nearby. If it's not audible, immediately enable Lost Mode to lock the device and display your contact number. This prevents unauthorized access and increases the chance someone will contact you if they find it. You now use the live tracking. Follow location updates and open directions to navigate precisely to the last ping. GPS drift can occur, so scan the immediate area thoroughly. If the watch is in a public place, notify staff or security and ask for assistance. Make sure to describe it and provide contact details shown in Lost Mode. If you suspect theft, contact local police with the serial number and escalate to Apple support, so activate. You finish by deciding whether to recover or secure the watch. If you retrieve it, disable Lost Mode and confirm settings and health data sync. This restores normal use. If it's unrecoverable, erase it remotely to protect data, but retain purchase receipts and serial for insurance or police reports. If you see no location data, check likely causes. Dead battery, no cellular or Wi-Fi, or iCloud sign unchanged. If issues persist, contact Apple support with your serial to pursue recovery options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.